festivals around the world. Shakespeare's Birthday. The famous playwright William Shakespeare was probably born on the 23rd of April, the same day that he died 52 years later in 1616. On this day each year there is a parade to celebrate him in Stratford-upon-Avon, the town of Shakespeare's birth in the UK. A local teenager leads the parade and carries the quill, an old-fashioned writing instrument which symbolises how important Shakespeare was for British literature. Behind the leader come people in traditional costumes, marching bands and schoolchildren. Everyone makes their way to Holy Trinity Church, where the mayor puts flowers on Shakespeare's grave. After the parade, there are concerts, competitions and dancing. People from far and wide come together to celebrate Shakespeare's life, work and legacy. Festival of Nomadic Civilization. For thousands of years, the Central Asian steppe has been home to horse-riding nomads. Although a lot of Kazakhs now live in cities, they haven't forgotten their rich culture. Every year in July, Astana is home to the Festival of Nomadic Civilization, the only festival in the world celebrating traditional nomadic culture. Yurts are set around the Khan Shatir shopping centre, creating a mini tent village where visitors can experience every aspect of steppe culture, from food and traditional crafts to music and dance performances. It's a truly amazing experience and a great introduction to the fascinating traditions of Kazakhstan.